What is up, you guys? Team Royce here with another video. This is going to be a quick one. I'm just going to run through this and show you how to set up your gauges. So this is like your home screen. You just want to go up to the gauges, click on it. It's going to pull up the ones that I have set, but you're going to click up to that arrow right there. You're going to go to gauge layout. You can have 1 gauge, 2 gauge, 3 gauge, 4 gauge, 5 gauge, and 6 gauges. I'll show you how to go through all of those. So you see they're all the same. Just click down twice, click on one, change it, and then you can change it to whatever. So like boost pressure. So now we got boost pressure. Click down again, change your next one. Just go through them, change all your parameters. This was super quick. Hopefully that helped you guys out a little bit for anyone that was wondering, or someone who had just gotten theirs or is looking to get one. It's very simple to use, so yeah, okay. Have a good one. Also, don't forget to like, comment for questions, and subscribe. If you comment, I will answer.